everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video we have a haul and it is sponsored by mcgee Home. They gifted us two things and we're going to do a giveaway. So the first thing I would like to share is this toilet paper holder. This toilet paper holder will hold 3 jumbo size tissue rolls. It also has a little stand at the top that can hold your cell phone, iPad, or maybe some wipes. I was in the store looking for regular size toilet paper because the toilet paper holder I have in my bathroom only holds smaller toilet paper. I couldn't find any at Walmart, couldn't find any at Target. While I'm in here, let me look and see if I can find smaller or the smaller rolls, and I couldn't. I know where to look, probably Dollar General or Dollar Tree, but I was in those stores. So when they reached out to me, I was like, sure, but you gotta give me one for a giveaway as well as discount codes for you all. So I have one for myself and I also have one for a giveaway that will be mailed directly to the person who wins the gifts. And you just have to put the little top part on this stand, and like I said, it holds 3 rolls. So that's one of the items that will be in the giveaway. The other item is, I don't know if they were watching my channel and they know I mentioned that I'm going to probably end up doing a desk area, but they also gifted us a organizer for your desk. So it has 2 trays. You have to put it together, and then it has like a little filing system up top and then a side tray so you can put your pencils and pens and things like that in it. And this tray right here has a drawer. So you can actually take it out and put it in your desk and use the bottom area like so. There's a little bottom area if you can see it. Use this area for your additional files and maybe here too. So this is like a side view. So I do have links to both of these items as well as 10% off discount code. And I just have my own little stapler inside of there. So for now, I'll probably take it to the office to use there because I do need a new tray. This one and this one. So the rules of the giveaway, top 25 who post Amazon and whichever gift you like will be entered into a drawing. And as soon as we get to 25, I'll go ahead and do that drawing. So it can be tonight or first thing in the morning. I'll announce the winner, and the winner will be announced on this post as well as in the community area. So look for the post, and when you see it, all you have to do is respond to me by email that you are the winner, and I will get your information, your address, and send you your gift through Amazon. Thank you mcgee Home for sponsoring today's video and giveaway. Okay, so that is that. Now the other items I purchased from Amazon. I ordered this last month, I think, but I got it for my bathroom. I was waiting to kind of update you all on what I'll be doing in my bathroom, and I still don't know. So we did have a contractor come by and he has not given me a quote. So as soon as I get that, then we'll know which direction we're going. So I'll still do a little refresh because I don't think I want to spend a couple of weeks out of the summer doing remodeling projects in there. With that being said, I ordered these canisters, and I've seen these all over YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and for kitchens, and I don't know if I've seen them in the bathroom, but I've seen them in pantries. But I'm going to use it in my bathroom and fill it with Epsom salt and bath salts and things like that, because I like to pour my stuff. I don't like the dipping method, although I'm sure it works for some, but I'm more of a pourer. So I'm going to fill these up, and I'll put, like, some will say relax, some will say energy, depends on what The Epsom salt or bath salt is recommended for, and I do have links for those or for these, and it's 3 in a pack. The other one is kind of stuck. So here they are. So, and they do have labels that come with them, but I'm going to use my Cricut to create labels for a majority of the items that I'll have in my pantry as well as in my bathroom. So these are about for our master bathroom. Amazon find, another Amazon find I got these. I'll get close up so you can see them. So they have the double hooks on them, and these are really good for those of us who like to hang curtains as well as a liner. So I'm going to use the front of it to use for curtains and the back for liner. Remember, I did my guest bathroom and I used 1 curtain ring to hang a shower curtain as well as the curtain. So in this case, I just need this, and I'll put the shower curtain in the back and the regular curtain in the front, which I am planning on changing that look out. Before I get too far, let me just tell you, so in the month of April, we're going to be doing bathrooms, bedrooms, and backyard. So the 3 Bs, the bedroom, the bathroom, and the backyard. So I did get these as well as, and these come, I think it's 12 in a pack. Yeah, 12 in a pack. And most curtains are either going to be a 5 or 7 ring curtain. So I purchased 2 packs just to make sure I have enough, because I hate when I get started on something and then realize I do not have enough. So I got 2 of these, and I can't remember how much they were. I believe $12.99. I don't know, but I'll share the link. That way you can go look them up and see if it's something you're interested in. But I got the bright golden, these, as you can see. And I also got a gold curtain rod, and it's just a simple curtain rod, nothing too fancy. The one I have in there now, it's a little more traditional, and I just wanted a simple clean line curtain rod. So I'm going to take that one down and swap it with this one. And they start at 26 inches up to 84 inches. This one is a medium, which is 40 by 73. If you have like a long window, a long area, then you may want to bump it up 48 to 84 inches. But I did measure mine, and a 73 inch should work. So I got this, and I believe it was $29 from Amazon. They do have some at some of the other like local stores, but I've been watching this one, and it's just the right color gold that I need. So I got that one from Amazon as well. So I also, just trying to look around, went to Target, and I purchased 2 throw rugs. Here they are. Now I really want a really long one to go on the side where the stove is, but they didn't have one in the pattern that I liked. I went to Home Goods, I went to Lowe's, I checked online, and both of those stores, actually Home Goods and Lowe's, do have some that I absolutely love, but they were too bright white or either too gray. But I wanted something to really pull that countertop color down to the floor. So my countertop is like a beigey, brown, gray, black looking color, and all of the colors are in here. So a white rug would probably be a little bit too white for me when I'm trying to warm up the white a little bit more. So I got 2 of these rugs from Target, and they were $25. I am going to check their website to see if they have the longer one. That way I'll still be able to put this one in front of the refrigerator and the other one in front of the stove. And it does have that grip on it. Although it's a rug that can be used all through the house, this one can be used in the kitchen as well as the bathroom because it has that slip grip on it. So I got 2 of those for that area. The other thing I got was these candles. Candles are on sale now for, I believe, 15 or 20% off at Target. So I'm just going to tell you the regular price. That way, if it is on sale, you can look it up. This is one of the candles I got, and it has that ridge, just like the 2 vases that I have. Actually, here's one of the vases, and I got this one from CB2 and the other one from H&M. So this candle is Smells so good. It's the 3-wick candle and it has the lid on it. I'll do a closer up view of this one. It was regular price $15 and I like the lid, and I like it also because once you are through with the candle, you can also use this little dish for maybe just a dish on your nightstand or something like this. So it's pretty enough for that. And the other one, here's the other one. It's a 5-wick and both of them are Marcella Rose. And this one was $20 with 15 or 20% off, but I got it also from Target. I'll share links in the description for those of you who are interested. I just feel like it make a great little display if you wanted to put them all 3 together, or if you just want to put these simple little, the glasses with the ridges all throughout your house, just add a little extra flair or whatever you want to call it throughout your house. So I got these 2 candles from Target. So I'm just having water, sparkling water. So we got that. Now the other things I want to share are from Home Goods, and I'm going to be sprinkling a little green throughout the house, except maybe not in the bedrooms. I think upstairs we're going to do gray and turquoise. And this little green candle I got from Home Goods. It was on clearance. Regular price $12.99. I got it for $10. I just like it for the color because the candle smells like hair grease. What's the hair grease we used to use? Not the Blue Magic. I think the one in the red can. Yeah, that's what it smells like. So this was $10. I just like the color. It's called Black Amber and Moss. So that, I got that. The other thing I got from Home Goods was this little vase, cute, simple, some brown and green roses all around it, and I just got it exactly for that, to add some roses in it. So this was $9.99 at Home Goods. I also got this tray. I plan on putting it in the bedroom upstairs. It was $16.99. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it because it is, I set it on the counter and it wobbles, and there's nothing like wobbling. I could put a little felt on the bottom of one leg or one little stem, but I feel like if you're gonna buy something, it's best to buy it like it needs to be instead of trying to fix something, especially if it wasn't a discount. So this was not discounted. I paid full price for it, $16.99 at Home Goods. And I guess it just depends on if it's something I really want, if I'm going to keep it or not. $16.99 for this marble, and it says real marble with the little metal handles. And yes, this is something you can make yourself if you have some marble or granite laying around. You can definitely make that. The other thing I got is this dispenser. Now don't get me wrong, I do like some of the dispensers that come already with the real nice writing on them and all of that, but I also like these. So this was $9.99 at Home Goods. I like the green and gold color, but this is for the bathroom. I got these 2 trays, and then it's gold on the back, and this is similar to those big bowls that I have. And this big one was $24.99 and the small one was $19.99. And I purchased these because, as you know, in my hearth room I got a new table. I no longer have a round cocktail table anymore, so I needed more items that were elongated or square shaped, and majority of the items I have that go on a cocktail table like these are round. With that being said, I purchased these from Home Goods and they are going to go in the hearth room, and I'm just going to put some green moss balls, or maybe some probably green moss balls, just to add some green to the table. So we're going to stay with that. Green moss balls or maybe green florals in here, and it's going on the cocktail table in the hearth room. So I got one more thing I need to go get. I thought I brought it in here. All right, this cheese dome, I absolutely love it, and I love it more for the handle. It's real simple and clean. I have another one, but it has a different handle on the top. It's not as clean and simple. It's more traditional. This screaming, this one is screaming transitional to me. More contemporary. Let me let you see. So there was one in silver, and this one is simple enough, and I like the fact that it does not have the riser on it, so you can just set it directly on your counter if that's how you want to use it, or for when you do actually have functions. So I got this, and like I said, they have the one with the black and one with maybe a silver look to it, so I got that as well. This ginger jar, it is so beautiful. Now I've been watching this one forever, y'all, and I just felt like, for some reason I thought it was $59.99, but it was actually $49.99 at Home Goods. And this is the color that I'm doing upstairs, so I wanted something to go on the dresser that we have up there, and this one is going to work perfectly. I didn't buy any pillows during this haul. I only bought one ginger jar as part of my collective items. You know, the pillows and the ginger jars gets me in trouble every time, and I was like, I'm not buying another ginger jar. And I just kept looking at it every time I went in there, and finally I was like, it's the right color for the room I'm working on, and plus I love it. I mean, even if I didn't have it upstairs in the guest bedroom, I could still use it somewhere else around the house, even though the color is like a unique color. It's one of those things that just makes its own statement. You don't always have to match. You just want things that you love. And I love this ginger jar. $50 at Home Goods. All right, everyone, that is the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. And also thank you, mcgee Home, for sponsoring today's video and giveaway. And don't forget to look for the link in the description, as well as a 10% discount code. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.